This video is an introductory overview of WavePad and will provide you with general familiarity of its interface. WavePad's layout gives you quick access to the features you use most often. Along the top of the screen, you will see the tab toolbar. It consists of the Home, Edit, Levels, Effects, Tools, Suite, and Custom tabs. For beginners, you may find all the tools you need on the Home tab. For more advanced audio editing, you will use all of the tabs, or may choose to use the Custom tab to place all of your favorite tools in one place. Simply click the Customize button and select the commands you would like to display on this tab. Along the bottom of the screen, you can see the play controls, file information, the play clock, and the volume level meter. When you have multiple files open, they are displayed above this section. Click on a file name to make it the active project. Along the bottom of the project window, you will see buttons for Sample Edit Mode, Wave and Channel Display modes, Frequency Spectrograph Display, and Zoom controls. In the upper right corner, you will find the Help icon. From here, you can open the Help Manual, video tutorials, check for updated versions, and more. Next to the Help icon is a small arrow. Click on this to hide or view the menu bar. Finally, in the upper left corner of the title bar, you will see frequently used tools: New, Open, Save, Cut, Copy, Paste, Undo, and Redo. For more WavePad tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.